news coming in. Updates from Nepal as it continues to boil. This is the former Nepal PM. Jhalanath's residence has been now set on fire. His wife said to be critically injured. The protesters set fire to the house while the former PM's wife was still inside. She has sustained severe burn injuries and has been rushed to the Kirtipur Burn Hospital. Now, situation is getting grim by the hour, and what you see now is a worrying trend, because this is the crowd, this is violence, blatant violence, and now we are looking at injuries on the other side. Injuries to politicians and burn injuries to their families. The situation really seems to be getting out of control here completely in Nepal. Ashish Srivastav now joins us live from Kathmandu. Ashish, just take us through where you are exactly at the moment. The sense we are picking up here is that despite the resignations of the President of the Prime Minister, दोनों की रेजिग्नेशन के बावजूद प्रोटेस्ट बंद नहीं हो रहे हैं.
Yes, I am standing here in Nepal's Lumbini state, and you can see and understand this visual. There's a municipal corporation office which has been set on fire by protesters here, and you can understand the protesters are here and they are just protesting against the and against the Nepal. This is what the situation is here. This is the here I am standing, and you can understand that people and the protesters are here, and then continue shouting and just smoking against to these comments, and that's why this was the reason that people and protesters are here, and they continue talking about the situation which has occurred here in the Nepal. Nepal's Lumbini district, and where this municipal corporation office which has totally vandalized and set on fire, and this visual could be seen through this exclusively. We can so this visual even we can understand people protesters are waiting then when this rain will be down, and that's why they can start against this process. But this time where the visual could be seen, that is the municipal corporation office of VP of Lumbini's state of VP Chowk, and where the protester has set on fire all those areas which was protesting in this time. So the situation is very different here, and protesters still are shouting and they're struggling against the government, and now it's a raining time, and the people are still here, and they are just waiting because they the situation. The people on Monday morning they were protesting here, and they were just talking about that the government should be resigned, and
हमारा जो भी समझ है हम नेपाल से
the PM has resigned, and even after this protest is going on here, and the protesters are not going to back their house, and they are just still here, and they're waiting there, and don't know what they want exactly, because this time the municipal corporation office, which I just want to show you, which is in a Lumbini state, and where I'm standing on VP Chowk. This kind of condition and the situation has occurred here, and that's over to you.
All right, that was Ashish giving us some live update over there.